Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, a follow-up on the Cybertruck video. Now, I have to tell you right off the bat, my video on the Cybertruck, it was a bit shocking to me, the responses that I got. And now my title was Cyber Yuck, because I don't like the look of it. And just wanted to have a catchy title that would grab people and get them to watch. But I have a feeling that many people didn't even watch the video. They just left a rude, angry, and quite honestly hateful comment based more on the title than anything else. Because had you watched the video, and I would encourage you to go back and watch it all the way through, what I said was that the specs are amazing, the price is great, the range is incredible, and that they are going to sell a lot of them. But I said that for me, the look is not my taste. That's what I said. And I got attacked so vehemently that, I was getting so many hateful comments, I couldn't keep up with it. I had to disable comments because it was going to become my life for 48 hours just sifting through comments, and I wasn't willing to do that. Now, I got to tell you, it's upsetting that that occurs, not because I can't take someone leaving negative comments. That's fine. But the problem is, heaven forbid anyone say anything negative at all about Elon Musk or Tesla at all. What I said was so mild, and that is that I just didn't prefer the look. It's not for me. I said it looks garish, and it does. But I also said that they're going to sell a ton of them. And so far they've gotten a lot of pre-orders, 150-something thousand or whatever last I checked. So, I have no idea why people are absolutely going berserk if anyone says anything against the truck. In fact, I think more YouTubers are avoiding saying anything negative just for fear of backlash. It's kind of ridiculous, really. So let me elaborate a bit. And if you watch my previous video, you'll see exactly what I mean. This is exactly what I said, but I'm going to elaborate a little bit further. Again, the specs are awesome. The fact that it's pretty much dent-free is what the truck industry needs. The range, the performance, the towing capacity, the power, all of that is really, really great. And I am a big fan of it. That being said, however, I just don't prefer the look, and that's my personal opinion. But I also said they will sell a lot of them. My 16-year-old son, Joshua, made an interesting observation, and I really like his perspective on this. Because I looked at him and I said, you know what, where this thing is awesome? Anyone that's ever dreamed of driving a tank or an armored personnel carrier or something like that, this is awesome. And that this truck will appeal to the sort of the Darth Vader, mindset in each person. But it's just not for me. And what my son then said, he goes, Dad, you know what? What they should have done is they should have said, and I also said the military's going to buy this. The military and fleet companies that buy fleet vehicles. But I said the military will buy it for sure. It's already, the military already buys angular vehicles. They need durability, range, strength. And I could see them ordering several thousand of them because the cost is very good. So then my son chimed in and he said, Dad, what they should have done, what Tesla should have done with this is not make any changes, but say we are building this for military and super heavy duty commercial use. Oh, and if you want to buy one just for personal use, you can. He said that would be genius marketing, because he said now even people that don't like the look, I don't like the look, would look at it and go, oh my gosh, that is brilliant. It's a military vehicle like the H1 Hummer that the average person can buy. He said where the problem comes in is that it's said to be like a replacement for the F-150. And he goes, I don't see that. He said, not that it can't do it, but he said, I don't see that people that like that type of truck that look are going to want to buy this. So he goes, I don't like the look of it. I said, I don't like the look of it either, but I think he's onto something. And it's just amazing to me, though. Again, I go back to, heaven forbid you say anything negative about a Tesla product, because you will get absolutely attacked. It's ridiculous. So again, you don't believe me? I'm not backpedaling. This is exactly what I said, other than that comment that my son made. But in my first video, I explained that I like the features. I just don't like the look. I didn't say it was hideous. I didn't say it was disgusting. I didn't say whatever. I said the look just isn't for me. It's garish. With the definition for garish is bold, and I think overly bold. But that's my opinion. I know they're going to sell a ton of them. So I just don't like the look of it. So anyway, that's my take on it. Now, you guys are welcome to leave comments. Chill on the hate, because I will disable comments, and I don't want to hear comments about this video or the other truck video on my other videos, because I'll just disable comments on all of them. I don't want to deal with a bunch of BS, a bunch of screaming and whining. Leave a legitimate comment. Don't say I'm stupid, I'm an idiot, and I'm dumb, and F you, which is a bunch of what I was getting in the last video. But you know, explain to me why you really like the look of it, and that's fine. I love the look of my Model 3. A bunch of people say it looks like a duck's nose, a duck bill. I don't see that at all. But I can actually understand why people feel that way, but I love the look of this car. You know, taste is very personal. So I just don't like that truck is not my taste. It's just not. So that's my opinion on it. A couple other things that I'd like to say. One, part of the reason they're getting a lot of orders is because it's only a $100 reservation. So if it were a $1,000 reservation, it's hard to know how many orders that they would get. So that's one thing. Another thing, where the strength in this thing is in the price. It's in the price. So hopefully Tesla's not going to backpedal on the price. We all know that when the Model 3 came out, everyone was clamoring, where's the $35,000 version? Where's the $35,000 version? And Tesla just really didn't want to do that. It's like they financially couldn't do it. So they need to definitely hold firm to the pricing that they're giving, because again, that's the strength to this truck, is the price, for sure. And in that regard, I am thrilled to death to see this thing on the market, because it's, I mean, they're absolutely going to kill it because of the price. So I just don't like the look of it. So anyway, my thoughts on it. Thanks a lot, guys. I have a ton of stuff coming up on the channel here soon. So hopefully I can pace myself and release these videos, you know, space them out just a little bit, and not clog the channel with 2 videos a day or whatever. But I do have a lot of content coming up here shortly, so excited to get that stuff out to you. And for those that have been asking about my adjustable screen mount kit, yeah, they're still selling. We are catching up, and more than half of the orders have shipped, and I get new orders every day. We're going to be releasing the right-hand drive version soon. It's just I want to catch up as far as possible on the left-hand drive screen kits first. And and we will put a production hold on the left-hand drive version while we tool up and make changes to the right-hand drive. So there will be a short window that the left-hand drive version won't be available for a while, just while we make the right-hand drive version. So we'll make some extra inventory of the left-hand drives to have in stock. So that's that. Anyway, thanks, guys. Have yourselves a wonderful day. And yeah, be kind, but definitely let me know what you think in the comments section. If I get a lot of hate, I'm going to disable comments again. So anyway, take it easy, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye now.